What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got to break a few things down. We know that when it comes to Shiba Inu, the lead developer Shytoshi is very cryptic when it comes to releasing messages. So we got a very important update that I want to connect some dots on. But first off, let's take a look at the overall crypto market by market cap. So right now we're sitting at $867 billion right now, down 0.12% for the day. We got Bitcoin basically trading sideways, sitting at 17.8 right now. Ethereum sitting at 13.10, up 6% on the week right now. We got BNB at that 260 level. We know that that is an absolute steal right now, down 5% for the week. Connect the dots. Not telling you to do anything. This is not financial advice. Always do what's best for you. And remember, you don't have to just jump in and go crazy all at once. You want a dollar cost average. Right now, especially during a bear market, it's slow and steady wins the race. So Dogecoin, 8 cent right now, down 2.8% on the day. We got Cardano sitting at that 30 cent level right now. We got Polygon down to 90 cent right now, down 1.6% on the day. We got Polkadot at that number 11 spot, sitting at $5.21, down 1% on the day. We moved down to Litecoin, sitting at $75, down 2.5% right now. Then we got Solana sitting at that $14 level, up 2.5%. So far it looks like Solana is performing the best out of the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Now, if we take a look, y'all, Tron has passed us back up. Shiba Inu is now in that 16th place. So this is going to, scare and shake a few people around, which, rightfully so. It's all a part of the cycle. We need some people to panic, some people to hold strong. That's just how cryptocurrency works. Right now, the overall crypto market is moving slow. It's not progressing as it should or as fast as some of us would like to see the turnaround happen, because we ran into some issues with the FTX situation. If you aren't familiar with that, just to sum it up, very wealthy crypto billionaire created an exchange where people can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. He had about $16 billion worth of customer funds in there, and he took around 10 to 11 billion dollars of the customers' funds and was using it for personal reasons or personal gains, using it on very highly speculative and risky investments. And he ended up losing on that, which put him in a position where he could not basically cover customers' funds. So once people started to withdraw their money, there was a run on his bank or his exchange, essentially leaving him bankrupt. So that's where we are right now. Black eye on an entire crypto space right now. But for those of y'all that are new to the space, if you're just getting started right now, this is a perfect opportunity. Why? Most people wait. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, for example. We got Shiba Inu also at that 8981 level, down 1.9% for the day. But let's take a look at Bitcoin when we use this example. So if we pull out our chart, go to the candlestick charts, let's go to, let's just pull up that monthly chart. Take a look at all-time highs. So what usually happens, this is the chart of Bitcoin. Let's grab a horizontal line right here. Let's just throw it right there. Normally what we see is during this time, when we see the price, going crazy, when we see the price of Bitcoin shooting up, when we see everybody excited about it, everybody happy, this is where most investors tend to start investing into Bitcoin and other assets. Matter of fact, let me adjust this a little bit just so y'all can see this. Okay, there we go. But this up here in this upper range is where most investors tend to want to buy, versus taking advantage of times like this. They'll see the market down this far right now. We got Bitcoin down approximately from all-time high. We're down nicely right now. So most investors would take this opportunity and panic. They would see this, as a bad sign. They would say, I don't want to buy it right now because it's red. It looks like it's going down. But that's actually a better strategy than trying to time it and wait for a breakout until the prices are going to start going up. You want to take advantage of these prices in this range, so that way, once things turn around, let's say if you buy here, you make a few buys in this range around the 17, 18 range. Once we get back up into, let's just even say 50,000 per Bitcoin, you would already made around, what would that be, about 167% on your money if you so happen to buy in this range here. But what most people will do is wait until the price is, you know, around that 50,000. Let's put it around, let's say 40,000. When the price starts getting back in this range, that's when we'll start to see, you know, some investors jump back in and buy. But look what that does. That only leaves you with around 22% gain once the price is back at that 50,000 level, if you buy in at the 40,000 level, versus investors who, you know, took the opportunity to buy at these low prices and waited for the price to go back up. Now remember, slow and steady wins the race. This is not an overnight thing. Don't just try to hit a home run right away. Do not put in money that you cannot afford to lose, because if the price pulls back, it's going to give you a sick feeling in your stomach if you went in over leveraged, or you were out here borrowing money to try to throw it in there. Just only put in what you can afford to lose. So now let's take a look at this Twitter page of Shytoshi's. This is what we really needed to get down to the bottom of right here. So drag this around. We're on Shytoshi's page here. Shout out to Shytoshi. But Shytoshi updated the bio section on Twitter saying, on the first day my true love gave to me. So we all know, you know, that's a like a nursery rhyme or something, like a Christmas song that people sing, you know, first day of Christmas, true love gave to me, partridge in a pear tree. We all know that. So you know, to me, you know, we know there was the title of the song is called 12 Days of Christmas. So we got a update from a previous, not a previous, but another team member that said things will be rolled out in phases, but that was kind of cryptic as well too. We didn't get too much information. So to me, I'm thinking we're gonna have some type of major rollout leading up to Christmas, where we either get Shibarium documentation, you know, or official, you know, Shibarium dropping, or whether it be Treat token, which is another coin that is coming to, actually a token that's coming to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So, you know, I think we got a lot of surprises, you know, on the horizon. So just, you know, keep that in mind. And then one other thing, Shytoshi changed the location of, you know, of the page and said close. So usually you could use this and say, you know, you're in Las Vegas, you could say New York, you know, Miami, whatever, but Shytoshi said, I'm close. So basically saying, you know, we're close to, you know, my assumption is, you know, we're close to getting these catalysts that we're waiting on. Now you got to remember, the overall market is in a bear market. So is it likely that, you know, just if we get any one of these major catalysts, that Shiba Inu is going to absolutely just take off? Not back to all-time high prices until the market corrects itself. You know, we need to see, you know, how this FTX situation plays out. We got a lot of other, you know, exchanges that are, you know, kind of left in limbo, waiting to see, you know, how their situations play out. You know, so you just want to give it some time. Now, of course, if it happens sooner than later, we'll all be, you know, happy about that. But at the same time, I just don't want those that are impatient to, you know, jump the gun and jump off the ship because things aren't happening fast enough. So just keep that in mind. And then one other tweet that I found, you know, interesting or intriguing. Andrew Tate, we all know who he is. If you're online, you've heard of him before. But he said, if they kill me, I love you all. And then Shytoshi retweeted that and said, I felt that. So we got to connect the dots. Remember, a lot of you know, weird things are happening with different crypto billionaires popping up, you know, dead for some reason. We haven't got too much information behind that, but we definitely are keeping an eye on things that's going on. I'm waiting for more information to be able to, you know, try to really paint this picture and, you know, see what's taking place right now. But that's all we got for this update, man. Shout out to y'all for rocking with me. I got some links in the description section of this video if you want some free stocks, free crypto, free resources. Also, my book is on Amazon right now. Go check that out. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.